Hey, this is Rick Drewry, World of Wheels 2018 in Indianapolis. I'm here with Ken Mosier, Finer Details, and you surprised me a little bit, Ken. What do you got a Pontiac in your booth for?
Well, Jay Webb, our body shop manager, he's had this car about 4 years and restored the car from the ground up. It was an Arizona car, all original sheet metal. We love Pontiacs. You know, I've done Trans Ams and everything else and owned Trans Ams, but you know, I'm a Mopar person. But Pontiacs are great. But it's a very
You just went a step higher on my level by being a Pontiac guy too. That's cool.
Yeah.
Tell me more about the car.
It's an original Arizona car. It's all numbers matching. '69 Judge. It is a real Judge.
Okay.
It's all optioned the way it came from the factory.
All
It's
right.
got the PHS paperwork on it. It's got the sheet on it, and it's 100% original sheet metal on this car. All numbers matching. 4-speed. It's
Really?
not like our other cars that we trailer every place. He actually drives this car, and it's a fantastic car.
Well, what kind of condition was it when you got it?
It was rough and, you know, just old paint and interior, Arizona dry rotted interior, blah 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 blah. But the car itself, like I said, is all original sheet metal car,
Okay.
and it was very very good
So
on
you
that.
had a solid base.
Oh yeah.
No, I'm impressed. It's a very nice car. You got the GTO looks gorgeous. Now, with that being said, of course you brought a Mopar over.
Yes.
And you got to tell me a little bit about this Cuda convertible, 71.
1971.
Okay.
It is one of 12 ever produced. It is a 446 pack
Okay.
convertible. Original owner. Worked at Chrysler when he ordered the car. Still owns it to this day. We did a complete restoration on this car, front to back, all numbers matching.
Wow.
But the Hemi Cuda convertibles, which are the 426 Hemi, the engine above this,
Right.
those cars sell for $3.5 to $6 million.
Right. Right.
This car here is in excess of $1 million,
Wow.
and that's what's been turned down for it.
Okay.
The original owner will not sell the car. He's
I
got
don't
all
blame
the
him.
original paperwork, everything else on it.
So the condition on this one was solid too, or?
It was a good condition car, but it was nowhere near this. I mean, we did quarter panels, trunk pan, went through the whole car, motor, transmission, everything else. It is all numbers matching. It's a factory 6-way seat car, factory convertible, and it's a beautiful car.
So customers out there know when you get a car like that from start to finish on a restoration project, what is your normal timeline on something of that magnitude?
Year to year and a half.
Year to year and a
Yep.
half? Okay.
And depending on the parts, Chryslers are so much harder to find parts because they didn't make near the amount of Chrysler muscle cars that they did Pontiac or GM or anything like that.
Right.
So the cost difference between restoring something like that compared to this is a lot different. On an average restoration like that, on doing a concourse restoration like we did here with parts and labor and everything else, you're looking at $150,000.
Yeah. No, well done. Well done. So we got the finer details. If you want one done right, come and see Ken. As usual, a couple of beautiful cars.
Thank you.
Classic Auto. Agreed value, mileage rollover, and tiered mileage plans. Classic Auto, insuring your vehicle, insuring your passion. Call or click Classic Auto today.